Leg is broken. Tripod is functional. With tape.
And reclaim the Athank for the Empress's glory. For you are all guilty. And suddenly several stone heads appear above you, shouting down, guilty, 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 guilty.
But fortunately, I'm in deep disguise as Lord Margild, a minor drowned noble. So I don't know what I'm even doing here. Excuse me, I've never met these people before in my life. I'm an entirely upstanding citizen of the Empire, and I spit on these people. Let me out, and I will happily execute them for you.
I guess I have, of course, the bagpipes of invisibility and the kilt of jumping.
Nice. Dangerous kilt.
So I can invisibly jump with bagpipes. I will use my my kilt of jumping.
There we go.
To leap up to the dragon's neck.
Okay.
And then I will use, why not? Let's go ahead and do reckless attack.
Bears are going to try to get at you if you tumble around. You can try to mitigate that by doing something acrobatic or athletic to kind of, essentially shoot.
Are the bears doing continual damage to the dragon?
No. Not unless he was unless it fell on him. But essentially it buffeted him back and he's not getting within 10 feet of the bear strikes. Brambles and vines reaching out. It shudders, and again the petals all fall about. And you have a sense of wrongness as the laughter continues. And suddenly, it shoots out with one of those brambles. And it lands into your barbarian.
19.
And then also have the wisdom bonus if you have one.
I did have no wisdom bonus, yes.
19 does not do it. This beautiful thing must be protected at all costs from those who are harmed. This tendril, though, is
Rage stops me from being...
Oh, stops you from
He
being...
can't be.
I can't be frightened or charmed.
Oh.
If you are already frightened... No, I can't be frightened or charmed. I'm raging.
Oh, okay. All right. And then you are just going to have this bramble sort of struck into you. There we go. Well done. Good job catching that, folks.
Once again, Bruce is too angry.
I'm not thinking straight.
The object is running away. The creature is reaching towards where it fell.
Do we want the object?
Yes.
Yes, we want
Everyone's
to.
going to grab it.
Okay. So, yeah, why don't we go with the mage hand?
Okay.
Right. So, I'm going to conjure the mage hand.
Yep.
Have the mage hand actually go to stop the object.
Okay. It grabs it and is able to take it to where you want.
Who is fastest and easiest to escape? Because should we...
Yeah, fast.
I'm not giving it to them.
Oh boy. Hey Sydney, remember that time that we stole D-Cat's backpack?
I wanted to hold it for ransom money, but no.
Oh my god! It's raining a lot.
It's raining a heck ton.
Yeah, so it's hella raining, and there's a tornado warning this day.
Afternoon?
Yeah, and the lights were flickering a lot during D&D-Cat.
And last night, there was such a strong lightning crack that it turned on the motion sensing lights in our house.
Oh my god, it's just worse.